Hi, I'm Alicia and this is Healthy Humane Living, and today we're going to be making one of my favorite things, rolled potato tacos. When my husband and I lived in San Diego on Fridays, we would go to our favorite hole-in-the-wall Mexican restaurant in the La Jolla area, and we discovered these rolled potato tacos that were so delicious. Unfortunately, they were really fattening too because they were deep fat fried. So I love the taste so much, and I've been able to concoct something that's pretty similar. So today we're going to be making two different types of rolled potato tacos. One is a rather traditional rolled potato taco, and another one is a sweet potato rolled potato taco. But the benefit is that everything has hidden veggies in it. So I'm going to start first with sweet potato. So I've already mixed this all together because I think it's really boring to watch people mix stuff together in their food processor. So I've got like a cup of sweet potatoes and a cup of black beans, and I made the black beans from the virtual vegan recipe, and they are the best black beans you'll ever want to try. And I also put a cup of spinach in here. So I'll try to put this a little bit closer so you can see what it looks like. But the benefit is that you're getting this really delicious taco, but you're getting this hidden spinach in there and nobody has to know about it. In addition to all the wonderful spices that are in the black bean recipe, I did add a teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne to give it a little spice. So the other version is just the regular potato version, and I've got some golden potatoes in here, a cup of golden potatoes, 1/3 cup of riced cauliflower, and 1/3 cup of spinach, plus 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So it's really easy to mix this together, and we're just going to put it in some regular corn tortillas that I got at Trader Joe's, my favorite store, and we'll get to work. I've got to readjust the camera because I am a one-person crew, but we'll get to work and I'll show you how easy it is. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your tortillas have been heated up. So I put these into the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then I'm just going to take some potato mixture and I eyeball it, but don't do too much more than that. And we're just going to roll this up, and that's why you need to heat the tortillas, because they will crumble. And then I'm just going to plop it into my the basket for my air fryer. So, and I'll do a regular potato, a sweet potato one. All right, I do not recommend cleaning the fork like that, but hey, it's dirty work in the kitchen sometimes. So I'm just going to roll these up, and I will speed it up so you don't have to sit through all of this. So that didn't take very long, and I've got all my tacos in my air fryer, and now I'm going to put it in the air fryer at 350 for 7 to 9 minutes, and we'll see you on the back side. 8 minutes is up, and I'm going to take them out of the air fryer. This is what they look like, nice and golden and crispy. And I'm going to plate them up and show you how to serve them. Okay, so here is the finished product, and I'm not that good at food styling, but you can see how nice and crispy the tacos are. This is the regular potato taco. You can hardly see the spinach at all. This is the sweet potato taco, and the key here to the sweet potato taco is to follow the recipe on the virtual vegan that I put into the comments. I would normally eat this, or I am going to actually eat this with guacamole from my friend Liz's recipe at Family Food Roots, and with some cheesy sauce as well. This is absolutely delicious, and it's so easy to make. It took me 15 minutes from start to finish, and that includes the time in the air fryer. So I hope you'll give it a try. This is Healthy Humane Living. Please subscribe if you like these videos. I try to keep them to around 5 minutes or so, because I know you've got a lot to do with your day. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm Alicia, and you have a great day.